All right, this is Taylor Swift's Shake It Off. This is the original key, so you could play along with the actual song with this melody that I'm about to teach you. Now, I have sheet music for this piece. Please email me below and I will send it to you. Find your your fourth finger on the A string, a D, fourth finger, and that's how the piece starts. 4-1 open, 4-1. And the last note is the first finger on the A string, a B natural. So the rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, that's the first lick. 4-1 open, and move all your fingers to the D string, and then just your first finger to the A string. That'd be the best technical way to do it. Then we're going to go on to the next little lick, which happens with a little pickup. So it's 1, 2, and 1, 2 with an up bow, 1, 2, and same thing. So fourth finger has to jump to the A string. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then just like the beginning, move your first finger across, and the lick turns into more notes. Rest. Rest. First ending. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 2, 3. Second inning. Rhythm in that pre-chorus, we'll talk about it. It's 1, 2, and 1, 2, bum, 1, 2. That's the first part of the pre-chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then it's just rhythms or chord notes. Same thing. 2. And that measure right there, 2 measures before the chorus, is nothing dum da-dee, but then this is syncopated. Da dum bum, da bum bum. 2, 3. Chorus. Third finger. And then back to the chorus. 3, 1. And here I do a double down bow. Same thing here. Down, down. And then it can just go right back to the top with the melody if you want to. So I'll get us started and I'll play a little harmony line and see if you can keep up. This is our tempo for the piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Boom, ba da da da. Pre-chorus. Chorus. And the 1. I'm just gonna shake, shake, shake it off. Repeat. And that's how you can get back to the beginning. So let's do that one more time, the whole form. And if you find somebody else to play the chords with you, you can rock this song out. 1, 2. nice ending right there. So I hope you enjoy it. Please email me if you have any questions.